Hello guys, what we have today is a MacBook which is turning on but there is no display, and I will show you here. This is the one here which is 8203437, and let's this was been somewhere and they said they couldn't fix it and they bring it to us. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, just the power button. Is the fan spinning? You see, fan is spinning. Yep, like sort of. You see it? Yeah, it's actually, yeah, it's running. But it's running at a very slow speed. It looks like, yeah, now it's fine. And I did not even hear a chime. Did I? Okay. And I don't even see the light here. Not even light is turning on. Anyway, I will remove the board and then we'll check. Board is not clean, as you can see, and do you see? Why it's not showing red there in the camera? It's red, isn't it? No, it's not showing red. Now it's showing red. Do you see? Looks like it's liquid damage. See? Liquid damage or moisture damage. Okay, remove this. Looks like this one has got multiple problems. No display, fan is spinning slow, and then it's spinning and then it stops. Okay. Let's check in microscope. I don't know, it feels like it's less likely I'll be able to fix this board because of the condition. Yep, here, do you see? Okay, these, as far as I remember, they are on all display line backlight. Anything here? This board looks like has a tough life. It looks like, see, the liquid has seeped from here. See here, This is the backlight IC, but this looks okay to me. Okay, so the area which we have to look at is, let's check this first, huh? To check all this, I will connect the power. And we will put one screw here so that this doesn't move. Okay. Alright, now we got the light somehow. Yes, it's stopped again. Anyway, let's come back here. So I will be concentrating on this area here, and the next thing I would like to look at is on the board view. Is this the one? Yep. And where is it? Oh yeah, here. Let's move it around the way we have got it here. So this is where we have got the damage, and this is backlight switch, and where this is going to, these are just the test points, and this is connected to this diode here, and the other end is okay. So this is backlight boost. So what I'm gonna do here is, this is connected to backlight IC pin number 7 and 6. Then this is backlight boost, and then, so first thing I would like to check, as we can see, there should be a connectivity between pin number 2 to pin number 3 and 4. I'm just checking if these lines are okay. This is to pin number 3 and 4. So we know that line is connected, and then this is ground, and even though this looks damaged, but it's still intact. Okay, what is it here? Okay, so okay, let's connect with the charger. And next thing I would like to check is, if we got 8 volt on the backlight fuse, which is this guy here. Yeah, do you see we have got 8 volt here, but still there is no display. The fan is spinning. Okay, I will clean this area and then check it again. So even though I'm scrubbing it pretty hard, but and they are big capacitors, they are pretty nicely intact. I don't even see anything. They are not shorted. I will check the diode as well. And we have got 8 volt on backlight fuse. Now the only thing which I can think of is backlight IC. Okay, let's check the diode. Yeah, that's all good. Is this the only victim left? What do you think, guys? Is this the backlight IC? Looks like. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, now we will look at the damage in the microscope, if he was damaged or is just failed. Looks like no damage underneath. Anyway, we'll replace it and see how it goes. But looks a bit nasty. Yeah, now it looks shiny. We will do a bit of scrubbing here. Okay. We'll give it a little more love here and here. Okay, pretty hot, let it cool down. Okay. Should we get a picture? Display. We should. Okay. I think I pressed it too hard. Should be okay. Maybe I have to use another cable, but let's see. Ah, why is happening? Okay, let me get another cable. Let's see what we got. Got the SSD. Okay. Okay. Do you see? Still, before we did not even have this Apple logo coming up, and now, but still there is no display. Not fixed yet. Okay, let's remove the board again. I hope LCD is okay. I'm quite sure. Now, the next thing is check the LVDS connector. So we know these are pin number 3 and 4. See, 3 and 4 are pretty intact. Looks okay to me. Let's look the other way inside. Yep, all good. Let's come back to board view again. Here. So we have got diode here. Which one is pin number? What line is it? I'm just trying to figure out. Remember oh yeah, this is the one. The first in line is this diode here. In this case, I would like to, that is pin number 6 and 7, which is on backlight boost. Both of these, and so these are D7701 and backlight boost. The both I will replace and see how it goes. So just a bit of protection here because I don't want these to die in line of duty for no reason. Okay. Why not just remove all these, in one go? Okay, let's do it. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. Do I need a cleanup here? I don't think so. Where is the donor board? Who's sacrificing? Come on. Here. Okay. For me, one of these is causing the problem, most probably. I hate these users, that doesn't want to let component go. Just stick there for a while, baby, and then I will deal with you. Okay, just stay there. This one goes okay, and the last one look at my user. It's gone again. Okay. Now we will blow all them together. Just running out of my flux. Oh, come on, man. You're still moving. Okay. Done here. Looks okay. It's still hot, so we will wait for another 10 minutes. Oh, sorry. No. See if our problem is sorted or still not sorted. Should work now. Okay, let's put this. Oh, come on. Come on, boy, show me something. I will turn this off. Hello, Ducky. Is it Ducky? Oh, still nothing. Yep, I see a little bit. No, still not. I can see the Apple logo. I don't know if you can or not. Can you? Can you? Yeah, you can see that Apple logo. See there. Okay, still not fixed. Okay, still not fixed. Now this is the time we will look at diagram again and trying to understand now in a little bit detail what's happening and why we're not getting image. So this is the area where I would like to do a little bit of understanding of the circuit now. So we have already replaced U7701 and we know the pin number 6 and 7 on backlight boost, and then they are connected to this diode here. Remember, we have already replaced D7701, D77, L7701, this one here, and we have already checked the fuse. We have got 8 volt here. When the LCD boost is working, we should be getting, I think, at least 20 volt here to switch it on. Let's check the PDF. U7701, let's go back here. U7701. Okay. So this is what we are looking at. PP volt in SOS switch, backlight switch. And then remember, we have got 2 capacitors which we have already replaced, which is C7712 and C7713. And PP in backlight switch is the continuation of PP bus G3 hot, which is 8 volt. Okay. And then we have replaced both of these. We have replaced inductor, and then from here these are connected to backlight IC on pin number, I think 6 or 7. So what is happening when we got 8 volt from here? Just forget about it. 8 volt from here, and then that is going to U7701, letting it know that we have got 8 volt there, and then it will switch it on, PP out, backlight. And this is the diode here, which won't let that 20 volt go back into the system, because diode will only run volt in one direction, which is it will run to this direction. And D7701 is this one here. Yeah. Now I know what we are doing wrong. Yep. See, I remember from my previous repairs, this usually burnt out to XW7720, and this is what usually happens here. We haven't checked this one. We have replaced, so that's why it's not turning on. Okay, I got it now. So I will take you to microscope. I forgot my own previous repairs what we have done. So what I'm talking about is diode. Let me back you here again so that you can see. XW7720. I have done these repairs before, and I made a video as well where this connection is always lost when there is a liquid damage or when there is a burnt out here. So I have to check just here. I will take you to microscope again. Here. See, it's burnt out. This pad is gone. And then as you can see, let's come back here. This is then connected to pin 3 and 4. Okay, from here to pin 3 and 4. Let me come back here again, back and forth. So from here to pin 1, 2, 3 and 4, no connection. So either I can do a jump wire. Let's do it this way. Okay, I don't have to remove the board for this. First of all, let's go closer.
Yes,
Okay.
almost done.
Oh yeah, man. So see from here, is this pad here or that one there? Okay, I will check it. I gave it a little bit more clean. This is ground pad. We have to put some UV glue here, and this is the pad where we have to jump wire from here to this side of diode. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Should I get a little bit on the tip? fucking tight place. Let's move it other way around. Yeah, it looks like little bit is there now, but that's not enough. Okay, that should be okay. So guys, in this situation where you are unable to put some solder on it, this is another way you can make a good connection. See, this is let me show you here. Okay, come down here. Okay, so this is 0.40 solder balls. So I put one on there and then I will melt it down.
I want to upgrade the Microsoft products and the security.
And I'm just melting it down now.
Are you able to give me an indication of cost?
And I have got my tweezer bit there so that if it moved I can put it back. See, it's melting now and it will make a good connection. That's good. So these are the final stages hopefully for our surgery.
Want us to fix it?
Right, okay, so you can.
The good thing about
I didn't feel any.
electronics, we don't have to give them anesthesia like humans, and then I don't even scream. Okay, so how should I do it? Like this?
Thank you.
Well, look at my tweezers. Fuck. Look at my tweezers. I have to get another one. Is this a better tweezer? Yeah, it looks better. Okay. Come on, melt, mister. Okay, I will do this now. I have to move it a little bit away from the ground pad. Yeah, man, come on. Yep, that's good. Okay. Should I put some UV glue on it? Yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so there is some work which is done behind the scenes. You remember, I will show you here. Do you remember doing this? Can you see? Where is it? Here. I will show you under the microscope actually. And I will explain it to you. Okay, do you remember we jump wired from the diode to this point where the pad was burnt, but even after that it was not turning on. I mean not turning on, I mean there was still no backlight. And then what I have tested is in continuity mode from this point to pin number and 3 and 4 on LVDS, and there was no connectivity. So that means this line from here to maybe from layer or 3 to 4 was damaged or burnt. So the next thing I thought is to make a line from this diode to pin number 3 and 4. Let me explain you on the board view. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So remember we replace the backlight IC U7701. We replace C7799, we replace C7797, we replace L7701, and we replace this diode as well. But still there was no backlight. And then what we find out that the connection from here to XW7720 to D7701 SOS LCD line is burned. So we make a jump wire from here, but still there was no display. Then I checked the connectivity from XW7720 to pin number 3 and 4, and there was no connectivity. So finally what I have done, jump wire here and jump wire from D7701 to pin number and 3 and 4, which you can see here, right? And now we'll come back and we will turn it on now. Let's look it here.
Oh yeah.
I will UV glue it anyway.
USB.
And
We have USB, small USB.
okay, yeah.
We have bigger one, 256 gigs.
And then
Well, I did have a.
I'm not putting this clip on because that wire is there. So
You bought?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should bring it.
Oh, can I drop it back in?
Yeah.
Could I go wrong foot on that?
Yeah.
And not crack any of the music holes that were already
No.
No, all right, we'll do it that way. But that's what another 2
Yeah.
one hard drive would be good.
Bring that one, or you buy another USB stick.
What's the USB stick with? Oh, will it all fit on that?
yep,
That should fit.
Yeah, all right.
Got the
let's do a
display.
USB stick then.
I'll check the panel.
turning on fine. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.